Hello people, I am back with another new video, and today in this video I will be talking about Hall effect sensor, the sensor which is based on Hall effect, that is A3144 Hall effect sensor. So you can see the figure here. It has a transistor like shape having 3 pins. On the front side its name is written, and on the back side it is absolutely blank. So this is the Hall effect sensor. Okay, it has 3 pins. The first pin is VCC pin. We use normally 5 to 12 volt. The middle one is ground, and the third pin is digital output pin. So this digital output pin can also be used as analog output pin. So today I will be teaching you how to interface this Hall effect sensor with any transistor so that it can act as a magnetic switch when it is placed in the area of magnet. So this is Hall effect sensor, and we have connected the output terminal of Hall effect sensor with the base of a transistor. Similarly, the third pin, that is the output pin, is also connected across VCC terminal, and the VCC terminal is supplied with 12 volt, and the value of resistor which we are using here, as you can see here, it is 10 kilo ohm. And now let's check by connecting one of the buzzer here. So I am connecting the buzzer over here. So as soon as the buzzer is connected, the output is observed, that is the buzzer had started producing sound. You can use LED instead of that. So now let's check the polarity by using the magnet. So magnet has normally north and south pole. So when the south pole is connected, no sound observation is seen, as this magnetic sensor is only diagnosed by one of the other end. So now let's connect with the north pole. So you can see now whenever the north pole is placed against the Hall effect sensor, the buzzer stops glowing. Or the better idea is you can use LED instead of buzzer. So now one more thing is left, that why is the buzzer not producing sound? And the reason is, whenever a magnet is placed in front of the Hall effect sensor, the zero output voltage is observed. Now you can check the output voltage with the help of multimeter. So let me show you how the output voltage is. So this is the multimeter. So I will be checking the input and the output voltage. So let's check the input voltage one. So you can see I have used 12 volt power supply, and that's the reason why it's working. So if you use 5 volt power supply, you need to use 10 kilo ohm resistor across first and second terminal. So this is the output terminal, and you can see 0.7 as the output voltage. Now let's check by placing a magnet. So magnet is placed, you can see the voltage drops to almost 0 volt. So thank you for watching.